of all the problems Joseph had, people coming after him trying to destroy his life, and they ultimately did, he always found comfort in his family. His mother, oh, that dear mother, she believed in her son. And that dear father. How can the gospel help you in your family relationships? We all have family members who are at varying degrees of commitment to the Lord, shall we say. Some strong, some weak, some none at all. And how can we be a helpful member of the family to bring family unity and family faith? Dylan, yes, please.
So I have 3 other siblings, and I'm the second oldest. So me personally, like, I can really be an example to a lot of my family, and to like show them like a good example, and just be that example that they can look up to, and they can like base what they are going to do off of.
How have you done that, Dylan?
Well, I really tried to like just like read my scriptures, and to just say prayer. And if we're not saying like family prayer, I know my sister definitely does a good job about it. She's like, guys, let's say some family prayer, or like, let's read the scriptures. And I just really like that, like being aware that we have to do those small things.
It's so important. I think your word, be a good example, is profound. Because if you're not a good example, why should they want to be like you? Who wants to be
or live with you forever?
Live with a grouch. So one of the secrets to happiness is to be attractive, to make yourself more attractive. And that doesn't mean beauty necessarily. It means that you're more useful. You're more pleasant to be around. You love education because you'll be able to do more for people with a good education. So being a good example is behavioral, not anatomical.
Mm-hmm.